Hi everybody, my name is Jason Korstad. I'm with Resideo. Here to talk today about our RedLINK communication protocol. RedLINK is a proprietary language that was used to connect our thermostats to the HVAC equipment without having to run wires. The RedLINK sensor, this would tie into the Elite Pro thermostat. This actually allows you to have a zoned system in the home without having to actually zone it. So I can take this and make sure that my temperature in the bedroom is where I want it to be when the temperature in the hallway where the thermostat sits is different. And this is actually one of the sensors of 20 that we can add on to that thermostat. What we can do with that is we tie into the actual equipment down in the attic or in the basement, and that allows us to not have to run extra wires. RedLINK is in the 900 megahertz range. It's a proprietary protocol. If you're interested and you'd like to learn more about that or any other products that we have, please look into our website at resideo.com and we'll be able to connect you with a salesperson and help you as a builder.